Viewers, it's hardly been 3 weeks since 26-year-old Nilesh Rai, a UPSC aspirant from Varanasi, was electrocuted in Delhi's Patel Nagar. Now another tragic death due to electrocution has surfaced, and this time it's a 13-year-old boy. His name is Aditya, and his pictures are here on your screens. Aditya died due to electrocution while playing cricket with his friends in Delhi's Kotla Vihar area. The incident took place on Saturday, and it happened in the afternoon at around 1:30 p.m. And as per eyewitnesses, Aditya came in contact with an iron pole around which the electric wire was wrapped. He was immediately rushed to the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Hospital, where Aditya was declared dead. And these are the pictures. That is the iron pole and the electric wire. Aditya's family is distraught. They're asking questions. They're questioning the negligence. Take a look at this report filed by our colleague from the area.
A 13-year-old boy died in a shocking case of civic apathy in New Delhi's Kotla Vihar. Requesting my camera person to show you here the visuals towards the right side as well. You can see that this area is still completely waterlogged, and in fact Delhi received fresh bouts of rainfall today, and this is the state of the national capital. You can still see here that this entire area is not clean, and the drainage system is also extremely poor. So this is the ground. Requesting my camera person to zoom in towards the ground so as to show clearer visuals of what was taking place inside. Children were playing cricket, and the ball went towards the Gaushala, towards the extreme end of the ground, and the 13-year-old boy named Aditya went to get the ball, and when he was getting the ball, he held a gate which had live current going, and in fact this entire area, all these wires, we're being told that these wires have a lot of cuts in them, which make this entire area extremely unsafe. In fact, towards the other side as well, there are only residential areas, which further add to how unsafe this entire area is. And towards the other side as well, there are shops. So this area is it's hustling and bustling with activity throughout the day. And the moment it rained, a calamity took place, and a child has died. So major questions are being raised in the MCD. But again, the MCD has now taken action and demolished the Gaushala where the boy was electrocuted.
Will bulldozer action bring back Aditya? And isn't it too little too late? And isn't it action just for the cameras? Look at these pictures. Aditya's mother is distraught, and just look at the condition of the area where Aditya lost his life due to electrocution. We spoke to Aditya's mother, Anita, and she says that nobody must suffer the kind of loss that she has suffered. Residents in the area are pointing at the glaring lapses. They are saying that despite making multiple complaints, nobody paid heed. Watch this report.
The locals here are raising a pertinent question and raising questions against the MCD. क्या कह रहे हैं आप? यहाँ पे हमें आप बोल रहे हैं कि MCD का काम कम होता है और यहाँ पे पूरी गंदगी है. क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
MCD यहाँ सप्ताह में एक दिन आती है, सिर्फ संडे के दिन कचरा लेने के लिए गाड़ी उसकी आती है. नाला देख लीजिए, यहाँ से आगे पानी नहीं बढ़ता, सीधा इस जो एकेडमी है, एकेडमी के अंदर पानी जाता है. बड़ी मेहरबानी है कि जिसका एकेडमी है उसने पानी बहने देता है. इतनी मेहरबानी है कि पानी इधर निकलने देता है, जिससे कॉलोनी में पानी नहीं जमता है. अब इसके ऊपर आप ही सोच लीजिए, सारा फोटो दिखाइए क्या है MCD का हाल. दिल्ली में MCD जिंदा है या कहीं पे लापता हो गई है? क्या हुआ है? MCD जाने जिंदा है या नहीं है?
आप लोगों ने कभी MCD को बोलना चाहा कि आप लोग का काम
बोले हैं? कोई नहीं सुनता है. यहाँ क्या पूरे दिल्ली में घूम लीजिए, कहीं भी कचरा के ढेर आपको ही मिलेगा.
And viewers, Anita, 13-year-old Aditya's mother, her pictures, and each time we see it, our heart goes out to this family. She lost her child due to negligence. He died due to electrocution when he was playing cricket. What else is a 13-year-old meant to do when he's out there? This death has caused anguish in a family. Anita is raising some pertinent questions. Can we, as a country, fail this mother? Let's listen into what Aditya's mother has said.
अभी मेरा बच्चा हॉस्पिटल में ही है, अभी इलाज नहीं मिला है, मेरा बच्चा नहीं मिला है अभी. सर, मेरा बच्चा को करंट नहीं लगता है. यदि ये गौशाले वाले यहाँ से तार ले गए हैं जोड़ के। तो बस हम आप लोगों से यही गुजारिश है, हमारा बच्चा तो चला गया, वापस नहीं आएगा, लेकिन हम जैसे तरफ रहे हैं ऐसे कोई मां न तरपे। आप ऐसा कार्रवाई कीजिए कि हमारे कॉलोनी के कोई बच्चा के जान फिर दोबारा न जा सके।
The heart-wrenching cries of a mother exposing the negligence that the capital of the country faces after a spell of monsoon. The infrastructure crumbling and those in question resort to blame game. We'll get you more on that story, but time now for us to take a short commercial break. Stay with Times Now.